begin.
Hi guys, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I'm going to demonstrate project named Advanced Pneumatic Bumper Car. So first I will explain the block diagram of the project, then component used in the project, then working of this project. So first let's see basic image of this project, how it will look like. So this will be our machine, and here we have piston which is connected with valve which will be controlled by the relay module. So again, microcontroller Arduino will be getting signal from ultrasonic sensor. That obstacle is there, then relay module will trigger, which is controlling this valve and valve piston. Okay, and compressor is directly connected to this piston. So inlet it will come out, and outlet if it is air is going, so it will come back to its initial position. So now let's see how this ultrasonic sensor is working here. So speed of ultrasonic sensor, what's the theory behind it? I'm telling that thing. The speed of sound is 340 meter per second. Then we have time, like these pulses are going forward. If it is reflected back, so we know the time, like time between 0.2 seconds. Now we can calculate the distance. Okay, the same way in the code we can write if distance is 100 centimeter, so it will decelerate, okay, according to the distance. Now we are using here PWM, pulse width modulation, and we are giving this signal to L298 and motor driver, and with motor driver two motors are connected each channel with on each channel, M1, M2, M3 and 4. That's it. So again, this pulse width modulation will be decelerate the wheel, and once the distance reaches 2 centimeters, so it will cut off the supply from here and vehicle will stop. And if the distance covered, this distance covered is very fast, like if distance is covered in 0.1 second, so we will write in the formula in the code that if the distance is very low, that means accident will occur. There is no doubt accident will occur, collision will happen. In that case, we will turn on the relay on low signal, relay turn on, and this will linearly actuate this bumper. So this bumper will absorb the impact of accident. So guys, now let's see components on this project, how they are connected together, and after that we will see working of this project. So this is our air compressor. It is of 12 volt, 15 ampere, 100 bar, 100 psi. Okay, and this is the solenoid valve. It is connected to this inlet, and this is outlet, and this one is inlet to this piston. Okay, if air is going toward this, it will come out, and if air is going here, it will come in. Okay, then we have 7805 power supply. So this is a IC which will regulate 12 volt to 5 volt. It is a voltage regulator IC. If you give 6 volt to 36 volt, it will always give you 5 volt. Then we have electromagnetic relay. It is a switch, so it will connect this compressor, this one solenoid valve when this ultrasonic sensor gives the output. Okay, and we have here batteries. 9 batteries we have used for dedicated parts, like for wheels we have one set, for this compressor we have one set, and for microcontroller we have one set, and each set is of exactly 11.4 volt, and different ampere batteries are there. 1800 milliampere hour battery, then we have 2200 milliampere hour battery, then 1200 milliampere hour battery. Okay, and these are different buttons for the different positions. This one is your wheel, then L clamp we have connected, then Johnson motor here. This is a DC motor, high torque. Then we have Arduino microcontroller. In this code is there inside it, and it's a non-volatile, means memory. In memory code will be written and it will not erase if you remove the power. And we have this motor driver module L298. Okay, and these are the wires connected with. Below part we can see in this project, like there is motors. 4 motors are connected for better power. Okay, and they are all connected to L298 motor. So now let's see working of this project, how it will work. Before turning this project on, I will explain basic. If something comes in front of this ultrasonic sensor, slowly brakes will be applied. Okay, using pulse width modulation technique. It's a pulse width modulation PWM technique. In microcontroller, it's a special feature. On pin number 11, we have connected to L298 motor driver, so it will give the on-off time period according to the distance. And then another function is, if something comes in front of it very fast, collision will happen, so this bumper will be triggered to lower the impact of accident. So guys, now I will start this project. So I will turn on this button, and this is compressor button, and if I press this button, the project will start and it will stop once the screen is detected. And in the code I have written 20 centimeter right now for the detection, so it will come and stop. Okay, so we will see again. Okay. 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 So it is detecting the obstacle. Now, second point. Second point is, we will turn on the compressor and we will start the project again, and we will bring something near to it very fast. So now I am turning the compressor on, and we will see working again the accident part. In that, bumper will be on. Okay. So case 1. Now I will show you case 2.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.